Namaskar, I'm Pahul Sachdeva and along with me is Pratishuti Karmakar. And today we will be taking up the topic Microbes in Sewage Treatment from the chapter Microbes in Human Welfare for Reciprocal Teaching.
Large quantities of wastewater is generated in cities and towns. Its major component is human excreta. This municipal waste is known as sewage. It contains large amount of organic matter and microbes, many of which are pathogenic. Therefore, sewage water cannot be disposed directly into rivers and streams. Before disposal, it has to be treated in sewage treatment plants to make it less polluting. Treatment of wastewater is done by heterotrophic microbes which are naturally present in sewage. The treatment can be carried out in the following stages: primary treatment, secondary treatment. Primary treatment involves the removal of large and small particles from sewage. It has two steps: sequential filtration, which is used to remove the floating debris, and sedimentation, where the grit, soil, and small pebbles are removed. All solids that settle form the primary sludge, and the supernatant forms the primary effluent. The effluent from the primary settling tank is then taken for secondary treatment.
The primary effluent is passed into large aeration tanks, where it is constantly agitated mechanically and air is pumped into it. This allows vigorous growth of useful aerobic microbes into flocks or flocculents. Flocks are masses of bacteria associated with fungal filaments to form mesh-like structures. While growing, these microbes consume the major part of the organic matter in the effluent. This significantly reduces the BOD, biochemical oxygen demand of the effluent. BOD refers to the amount of oxygen that would be consumed if all the organic matter in 1 liter of water were oxidized by bacteria. The sewage water is treated till BOD is reduced. The BOD test measures the rate of uptake of oxygen by microorganisms in a sample of water, and thus, indirectly, BOD is a measure of the organic matter present in the water. The greater the BOD of wastewater, more is its polluting potential.
In anaerobic sludge digesters, anaerobic methanogenic bacteria digest the bacteria and fungi that is present in the sludge. During this digestion, bacteria produce a mixture of gases such as methane, hydrogen sulfide, and carbon dioxide. These gases form biogas and can be used as a source of energy as they are inflammable. The effluent from the settling tank of the secondary treatment plant is generally released into natural water bodies like rivers and streams. However, to make it suitable for drinking purposes, it has to undergo tertiary treatment.
Due to increasing urbanization, sewage is being produced in much larger quantities than ever before. However, number of sewage treatment plants has not increased enough to treat such quantities. So, untreated sewage is often discharged directly into rivers, leading to their pollution and increase in waterborne diseases. The Ministry of Environment and Forests has initiated Ganga Action Plan and Yamuna Action Plan to save these major rivers of our country from pollution. Under these plans, it is proposed to build a large number of sewage treatment plants so that not only treated sewage may be discharged in the rivers, but also they may be treated well.